We all have items in our homes that we no longer use or need. It's easy for clutter to pile up, creating a chaotic living space. But what if there was a way to declutter for a purpose? To not only free up space in your home, but also make a positive impact on the environment and your community. Donating and recycling are two fantastic ways to declutter with a purpose. Donating your gently used items can be a lifeline for others in need. Think about the clothes you haven't worn in years, the books gathering dust on your shelves, or the kitchen appliances you've replaced but never got rid of. These items could be invaluable to someone else. On the other hand, recycling is a great way to reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable world. Many items that we often throw in the trash can actually be recycled. Old electronics, batteries, paper, and even some types of plastic can be turned into new products instead of ending up in a landfill. But how do you start? The first step is to sort through your belongings. Create 2 piles, one for donations and one for recycling. Be honest with yourself about what you truly need and use. It might be hard to part with certain items, but remember the bigger picture. You're creating a cleaner, more organized living space for yourself and helping others and the planet in the process. Once you've sorted your items, it's time to donate and recycle. Research local charities and recycling centers in your area. Many offer pickup services, making the process even easier. And don't forget to get a receipt for your donations. You can often write them off on your taxes. Decluttering with a purpose is a win-win situation. You get to enjoy a cleaner, more organized home while also making a positive impact. So why not start today? Remember, every item you donate or recycle is a step towards a more sustainable and compassionate world.